today's video, we're going to talk about why your book isn't selling and how email marketing can fix it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, and I love to teach publishers, writers, as well as authors how to create passive income in your business. Okay, I help you to get to the money, honey, and I love to share tips and strategies here on my YouTube channel. So make sure that you go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. And one more call to action. Leave me a comment as well to let me know that you are here, if you enjoy this content, and what else other videos you would like to see on this channel. All right, let's talk about the struggles, honey. I know there are some struggles when it comes to selling your book, especially if you are new on the scene as being an author. A lot of first-time authors really struggle in these areas, but I want to help you to go ahead and fix that before you lead into your struggles. Even if you've already published a book before, you can also take these strategies as well. That's going to help you with your next book, okay? The first struggle is market saturation. Now, I know the market is flooded with nonfiction books and making it difficult for new titles to stand out. However, that's still a great sign, okay? When you see that a topic is saturated or you see a lot of people writing about a particular topic, it does not mean that you shouldn't write in that topic. That's actually a great sign that people are actually buying. So you would want to come from a different perspective when it comes to a certain topic so that you stand out. Struggle number two is a lack of platform. Now, new authors, a lot of new authors haven't established themselves as an expert or authority in your field. That makes it hard for you to attract readers. You gotta build your platform, honey. Okay. Now, I'm not going to tell you where to build your platform, but you can start with places like YouTube. You can start building your platform on Instagram. You can start building your platform on TikTok. You can start building your platform on your own website, but you gotta have a place where you're building your platform. Your readers have to be able to connect with you in a different spot other than your books. And you're also seen as an expert and you're seen as reliable as well, that you're not just publishing books just to make money, okay? Because there's a lot of people that do that. They just publish books and they put books up there. They don't care who buys them. They don't care what the next steps are. But if you really, really, really want to sell more books, you got to build your platform, okay? Struggle number three is ineffective marketing. You got to understand how to reach your target audience and craft compelling marketing messages. And that can definitely be overwhelming. Okay. This is why marketing should be in the forefront when it comes to your book writing. When you establish that you want to write a book first, right? You got to discover why. Why do you want to write this book? When you discover your why, then your marketing is attached. Okay. Somebody like me that's writing a book a month, my reason why for doing it, I have a couple of reasons, but my main reason why is because I want to put my expertise in books, and I also want to make my books a lead magnet for my business. So somebody like me that has that why, the way I market my business or the way I market my books would be very much different from somebody that's doing it because they just want to do it. They don't really want to make a lot of money. They just want to put their story or their expertise out there. Okay. So that's going to look different, and it's look different for every person. But discover your why. Okay. That really is the reason why that ineffective marketing is a struggle. Number four is building an email list. Many authors struggle to build a loyal email list. This is a crucial tool for promoting new books and connecting directly with your readers. Okay. And I love having an email list. I love the fact that I get to directly connect with my readers because those readers are invested. When they sign up for my email list, no matter what strategy I use to have an email list, that lets me know that they are really invested in my writing. They are really invested in my next and upcoming books. So you definitely need to have an email list. Okay. Number 5 is converting those readers into fans. Turning one time buyers into repeat customers overall, even as a business owner, can be challenging. Okay. But when it comes to books, if you're like me, you're writing more than one book and converting readers into fans, you want to make sure that's why you want to put out books that your fans are looking for, that they want to read. And that also depends on your topic as well. So, in order for you not to struggle in this area with converting your readers into fans, you got to keep your readers in mind. Now, I know we want to share our story, we want to share our expertise, but what are your readers looking for? Your book should solve a problem. Okay. I shared a funny meme on Facebook not too long ago where a woman was looked like she appears to be sitting on a train and she had a book in her hand and the book said get more sleep or something like that. And I shared it and said that your book should solve one problem, and it did for her. She was reading a book about getting better sleep, and in that picture that lady was getting some good sleep. Okay, so make sure that you are writing books that solve a problem for your readers. That's going to help them to convert to a fan. Struggle number 6 is low visibility on retail sites. When you are using retail sites such as Amazon, it can be difficult for new and unknown authors. I understand this completely, but this is where building your platform is really going to help you. I promise you is going to help you in the long run. And know that the low visibility on these retail sites, it can be daunting. Okay. I have had it where books are not selling or they're not getting in front of the right people. And when I look at that, if I look at that, I don't have reviews or I'm not selling my books, I turn that finger and look at myself and say, how are you making your book visible? You are the author of this book. How are you getting your book in front of more people besides just the retail site? How are you? Are you emailing people? Are you talking about your book every single day? And it may seem like, oh my God, I sound like a broken record. Oh my God, I said that. However, please know that the way these, especially these social media platforms work, not everybody is going to see your post at the same time. Not everyone will see your post when you first post it. Shoot, platforms like Facebook, they'll show your post 3 days later. Okay. Even though it sucks sometimes, but it's also good because it's really going into the algorithm. And as people like your post and people comment on your post, it starts to boost into people's algorithm. Okay. That's how the algorithm works. So I know you are, you're like, look, I got low visibility. Nobody's buying my book. You have to put in the effort too. It's just not going to sell just Amazon. And the last struggle is competition from free content because there's a lot of free information. I'm even sharing free information with you guys here. And convincing readers to pay for a book does require a strong value proposition. It really does, especially with someone like myself who writes books about writing and publishing and all those kind of things. There's a lot of things free on the internet. Even my YouTube channel, if you look at it, you can definitely write and publish a book just by looking at my YouTube channel. But here's the thing. Here's the caveat. Some people don't want to sit and binge through my YouTube videos. Some people want a organized book that takes them step by step. Okay. So that's how you're able to overcome when it comes to that competition and from free content. it really helps you to stand out. All right. So listen, I want to see you in my new workshop, because in my workshop, the nonfiction authors email blueprint, I'm going to share with you the secret weapon to help you to grow your email list. I'm going to show you how you can create high converting landing pages when you're growing your email list. I'm going to share with you the tool that I use to make my landing pages, but make them easy and quick. Okay. I'm going to give you some step by step on how to do that. And of course, if you've been to any of my workshops, I love show and tell. So I love to show and tell. Okay. I'm also going to show you secret strategies to grow your email list fast without posting on social media. Okay. And not only that, you're also going to get a copy in your mailbox, not your email, but to your home. I'm going to mail you a free copy of my latest book, Power Publishing Secrets, the Email Marketing Blueprint for Nonfiction Authors. Okay. I'm going to sign it and I'm going to mail it to you. So you need to be in this workshop so we can help you to grow your email list. This is really, truly going to help you. And yes, I'm going to talk about different tools you can use, but this workshop, which is live, of course, okay, if you're looking at this video before May the 16th, this is live. Now, if you're looking at this video after May the 16th, you can get the replay at the same link. So visit sharlritadeloatch.com/workshop and you can get access to my workshops. Okay. So I want to see you there. Let's grow our email list. And we know we can't always depend on the social medias, all right, in their algorithm, but let's grow our platforms by growing our email list so that we can continue to sell more books. All right. So that's all for today's video. I also want to remind you that I am on Substack. Are you on Substack? I'm on Substack. Okay. Each day I'm sharing where I'm in the process of writing my own books. I am writing a book every single month. So I'm sharing all the behind the scenes on what I am doing, the tools I'm using, how I'm able to write my books fast. You can just join $5 a month and you get access to my Substack. Okay. So I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for watching today's YouTube video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, go ahead and put it in the comments and I'll come in and answer for you. Okay. Until the next time, I see y'all in the next video. Bye.